Hello everyone, my name is Faith, but you may call me Unmei. It's that time of the month again. No, not that one, you freaks. I'm talking about Roblox time. I wanted to play the game Draw Me again because it was just really fun last time, and it low-key popped off on YouTube. So let's just jump right into it. What is this? She kind of looks like that one redheaded girl from Fairy Tale. The armor stuff on her is kind of intimidating me. I don't really know what I'm even looking at right now. I have a feeling this is gonna go terribly, terribly wrong, but let's just try anyways. Okay, this armor is giving fricked up Legos, but it's fine, I'm gonna fix it. Maybe if we put in the hair, it's gonna look better. Just drawing that weird headband thingy. So is this thing going through her head, or is it like something behind her? I don't actually know, but we'll draw it anyways. We have to draw her eyes even though she doesn't have any eyes because it would look really weird otherwise. I just never learned to close my lines, do I? Don't worry, I fixed it. Oh my god, I only have 10 seconds left. Okay, ruh-roh raggy, we ran out of time. We're just gonna have to hope and pray that they don't judge us too harshly. Alright, this is actually kind of accurate. I like it. 3 stars. Okay, next one. Okay, it's not terrible, but not good either though. Oh, sorry, I almost threw up. Honestly, this deserves 0 stars. Clearly they agree. No comment. It's mine. Oh my god, I couldn't even finish coloring. It's so bad. Will they like it at least? Oh, this one's nice. I like that it has a little story going on. Oh my god, I just realized I forgot to put the K-pop idol on her shirt. I'm a failure as a K-pop stan. Well, we ended up winning anyway, so it doesn't really matter. Okay, on to the next one. We're drawing Vex now. That is such a teenager edgelord name. Oh wait, I forgot I'm playing on Roblox. Okay, we draw a square, a giant body, and then we're done. Just kidding. We're drawing an edgelord after all. We gotta make him emo. Gotta shine up that hair, just define that hair a little bit more. Gotta give him dark circles under his eyes. And then we're done with our little pessimist. Oh wow, they took the edginess to a whole nother level. If there were more detail, I would give it a higher rating. Oh my god, get this basic bitch out of here. Well, this is gonna haunt my nightmares. 1 star. Huh? I see we're giving pity votes now. Oh look, it's my goth boy. Christ on a stick, what am I looking at? That one's okay, I can barely see him from the background though. I feel attacked. Okay, the results are in. Well, I didn't even place. That won first place? What is this rigged voting? Now we're just mad that my character was the cutest. Honestly, I should have left this group a while ago, but there's some cute avatars here, so I want to see that through. Look at them all gathering around my drawing. They know what they did. Alrighty, next round. Oh my gosh, yes, she's one of the ones I wanted to draw. Let's try our best not to butcher it. I just started on the eyes with this one. Give her that long locks. Fill it with black. Then we gotta draw in that cute rose and maiden-esque bonnet. Of course, give her some blueshies. And highlight everything with white, and then she's good to go. Let's see everyone's masterpieces. This is literally just a pile of meat. Why are y'all heart emojiing? I'm gonna rate this one higher just because it's not the last one. Oof, bad hair day. They drew their IRL self, okay. I do like the doggo. Heck yeah, it's mine. I think her face turned out a little wonky, but at least they like it. Okay, we got someone who just gave up. That's kinda cute. 3 star. Bruh, what a quitter. See, I mean, at least they tried. Okay, let's see the results. Yes! I mean, that's cool. It's not like I care or anything. Alright, we got a really cute one up next. I start out with a circle this time. Hopefully the proportions will be a little better than the last one. Doodah the body. And the cute short hair. Not that marionette ponytail. Color in the clothes. Her eyes are closed, so I'm gonna have them be closed. She got a 3 mouth going, so let's give her that. Let's add the little pink paw on her sweater. The obligatory blueshies. Let me fix that mouth. It's not quite right. And she's done. Okay, first step is... that's kinda cute, actually. 2 star worthy. Okay, it's no Picasso, but I'll be generous. What? Where is the Barney purple coming from? She has literally no purple on her design. 1 star. Alright, this is pretty accurate, and it's cute. I like it. Ooh, it's mine. You know what I realized? I didn't even paint in her skin tone right. That's gonna deduct me some points. Alright, this is okay. Oop, I like the energetic pose. No, you don't want me to be honest. The results are in, ladies and gentlemen, and I got second. That's not too bad. Okay, next round. No, I don't want to draw him. No lobby. Ooh, this is already looking way better. Well, he left. That's not gonna stop me from drawing you later, jerk. Ooh, another cool avatar spotted. How come I don't get to draw these avatars? I'm forced to run around on this thing in boredom while I wait. Okay, we got a short king over here. Alright, a round is finally starting. We gotta draw this avocado looking guy. Of course we do. This lackluster design is not gonna stop me from yassifying him though. Since he's got a hood, we want to make him look mysterious. Drawing his eyes. His avatar doesn't have hair, but I'm giving him hair because I don't want him to be bald. Not me struggling with the fill tool again. Oh, screw it, I'm just gonna paint over it. Gotta add the gold trim, some smexy red eyes, a little bit of shading. Let's give him a dark background with some foliage on the side like he's in a forest. And there's our rip-off anime Robin Hood. Time for the judging. Okay, this is pretty accurate. It's a 2 star. Ew, why does he look like one of those creepy guys watching you in the grocery store? It's giving me the ick. Speaking of ick, oh god, it's following me everywhere. Ooh, mine's pretty good, not gonna lie. It looks like he just chomped down on a lemon. What the fuck? Oh, sad avocado. Let's see who won. It's me! Was there ever any doubt? Let me go jogging for some exercise while I wait. Okay, next round. Ugh, it's 6-7. I'm just gonna draw a finger flipping him off. Just Just kidding. I'll have him pointing his finger in a cheeky pose. This face is not it. Maybe we can salvage it. Color will distract them, right? And if not the color, maybe this intense widow's peak. One thing I do know is that blue shades make everything better. Oh, who am I kidding? He just looks like a cracked out Elvis. Adding more details will definitely help. It's judging time. Why did I laugh at that? Aw, that's really cute. 2-star. Wow. Ah, so funny. 1-star. Ugh, my back hurts from carrying this lobby so hard. My hot garbage drawing looks like a freaking masterpiece compared to these people. Alright, let's see the results. Oh, what do you know? I won. Alright, I'm gonna play one more round. Oh my gosh, look how cute this guy's design is. Bro, stop jumping around. I'm trying to look at you. By the gods, it's a miracle. We actually get to draw him. Okay, let's not screw this up. We can't waste this opportunity. Okay, draw in the eyes, even though you can barely see them. And get that floofy hair in there. Put in little headphones because he's jamming over there. Probably listening to some soft boy lo-fi or something. At this point, I'm channeling everything inside of me to try and make this good. Put in the cute little scarf. He's got this square thing with arrows on the side of his shoulder there. I don't really know what that is, but we're gonna try and draw it anyways. Just me failing to close my lines again. Some shinies on the hair, and put a sorry excuse for a plaid pattern on there. So he turned around and I see a little orange on the back of his sweater, so I know he's not facing the back, but I'm gonna put it on the front side. And then we're done. I don't know why you covered him in mustard. Strange artistic choice, but artists will be artists. Excuse me, sir, where's the blue in this avatar's hair? Are you colorblind? Ooh, it's mine. It didn't turn out exactly the way I wanted, but oh well. I'm so tired of these people. He looks like a piece of bread, but at least he's kind of cute. Look at him dissing everybody. He's almost as sassy as me. And it didn't even place. Y'all are messed up. Okay, I lied. I'm gonna do one more because my ego has not been stroked enough. Look at him staring at it. You know he loved it. Okay, let's draw this girl. She's giving special A vibes. Draw that typical anime Dorito chin. Put her head in a more interesting perspective. Draw in that cozy beanie. Give her the long hair. Fill it in with black. Veil out the paint bucket tool. Add the blueshies. Wonder what the frick that is in the background. Add some shading. Add some white to help the black stand out. And finally, I always have to add some kind of decoration to the background. So here are some lazy flowers. Okay, it's judgment time. That's pretty cute. The colors are weird, but that's not bad. This is very pixel farming game coded. They tried. Ooh, it's mine. I really messed up the eyes on this one. Oh boy, that's why I need guidelines, guys. Did somebody drop their spaghetti on the canvas? Why does the writing look backwards? Guys, he's stuck in the mirror dimension. No, it's fine. I can't draw anything, so. Oh my gosh, I won! Even with her eyes practically slipping off her face, I still won. So now I gotta choose an avatar to make into a full drawing. But before that, let me just shamelessly plug myself. Consider subscribing to my Patreon, where you'll get full painting videos, high-res files of my art, monthly how-to-draw step-by-step tutorials, and more. And even if you just want to join as a free member, you have access to our art Discord server. Alrighty, I think you know who I'm gonna choose to draw. Can you guys guess who it is? If you guessed guy who left before I was able to even draw him, you'd be correct. I was not gonna let that cute design go undrawn. So here's the speed paint for him. And voila, he's done. What do you guys think? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments. So if you guys like this video and you want to see more, please be sure to leave a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye!